How to download your video from YouTube straight to your phone gallery. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Frank, and today I'll be teaching you on how to download a video from YouTube straight to your gallery. And please, if you find this video so interesting, please kindly just give me a subscription, like, and also comment on the video. And if there is any other thing you want me to treat, please feel free to reach out on the comment section and we will go about it. Thank you.
Click on YouTube. You see this is my FPI. You click on that ribbon, that places the arrow to you. I'll use the arrow. You click on that place. So once you click on that and it's actually going to load. So let us click on it. Yeah, I'm coming. Network is checking. Yes, so you click on your videos. So once you click on your videos, it will load. You see it has loaded. So let us look what I'm going to download. So let us download that MOT. You click on that three dots, the three dots beside the video. Just click on that three dots beside the videos. So let us look for one and click that the smallest one, the MOT, that girl that is smiling. You click on it. You see it has, once we click on it, it shows us save to playlist, download video, promote, edit, save to device. You see it has shown us save to device. You understand? So it's very simple. Once it shows us save to device, we can as well do the needful from that place. So let us start afresh and know how we can able to go back on that again. Click on the three dots. Now you click on the download. That is save on CC. It's actually saving. So it has saved already. Yeah, it has saved already. Saving, yeah, downloading and saved. So let us go to our gallery. Yes, and let us play the video. Go to your videos. Yeah, your video. Go to your video. So let's click and watch.
Spell it.
Chicken. Malt.
Malt.
Ordinary malt. M-O-T. Malt.
Is that?
M-O-T. Malt. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate. And please, if you find this video interesting, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification button for more interesting and sweet tutorial like this. Thank you. I still remain your host, Frank.